Scotwork Negotiating Essentials outline video. The Scotwork Negotiating Essentials online course is designed to provide an understanding of the negotiation process for those with limited scope to negotiate, for those who support and assist negotiators, for those who work closely with suppliers or customers to deliver products or services, and as an embedding tool for those who have attended the Scotwork Advancing Negotiating Skills courses. Each of the 10 modules covers an aspect of negotiating. The modules contain a video element, an interactive exercise to support the learning, an infographic if appropriate, and additional background reading to provide a reference source for the user in future negotiations. This creates an engaging and informative product, which will stimulate the user's imagination, embed the lessons, and encourage completion of the program. Let us look now at a sample of each of these elements. There is a narrative which ties together the different video elements. This is based around 4 new employees who have been sent to learn about negotiating on a practical course set on an island. The first module looks at different ways of resolving conflict. This is Skye. Skye wants to board the bus, as this will take her to the ferry to Negotiators Island. Having brought 2 large bags with her, Skye has just discovered that the bus company will only allow 1 large bag per person and a small personal item. It looks like Skye might be about to find herself in conflict with the bus driver. It seems that the driver is upholding policy and not allowing Skye to board the bus with both bags. What are her options? Select from the following list to find out more about each. Module 3 looks at preparation using a 5-point agenda. When the user selects a topic, an infographic will open. Objectives, or in other words, what you want to achieve. Start by writing down in a simple sentence exactly what you hope to get from the negotiation. You are not looking for why, just what you want from the negotiation. Your goals. Don't confuse the goal with the means of achieving it. In other words, my goal is to take the train to London is not correct. London is the objective. Taking the train is a strategy, which you will deal with later. If any of the items in your list indicate that they could be considered strategy, then redefine the sentence to focus on what you're trying to achieve. This is your intend list. In other words, this is what you are going to ask for. Once you have your list, it would be broken down into must items. That is to say, must achieve or must avoid, your limit position, your red lines, your walkaway point. Once you have completed your list of intentions and must items, now you have your objectives. At the completion of each module, the user has the option of reading further on the topic or returning to the hub to tackle another module. After Module 10, there are frequently asked questions. These are questions about the problems most often faced by negotiators. The individual user licenses will allow a user to access the product online as many times as they wish over the term of the agreement. Scotwork can provide you with reports about the progress of any individual through the modules. We can identify how many times a particular module has been visited, how long is spent on each module, and which modules are visited repeatedly. This will give you a clear picture of the utilisation of the Essentials product. The Negotiating Essentials is available in other languages. Check with us on availability. We will support the product for the duration of your term. In addition to the Scotwork Negotiating Essentials programme, we can supply a Manager's Support Pack. This can be used by the student's manager to support and engage with the students to ensure that they have completed the relevant modules and have understood the lessons. The Manager's Support Pack has at least 2 exercises associated with each module. One of the exercises is generic and the other is a template which the managers can use to customise the exercise for their particular situations. In order to use the Manager's Support Pack effectively, managers will attend the Scotwork Advancing Negotiating Skills workshop. This will then be followed by a 2-day Train the Trainer workshop, where the managers will work with Scotwork consultants to identify best practice for each module and its exercises. For information about this or any other Scotwork Negotiating Skills programs, please contact your local Scotwork office or email essentials@scotwork.com.